One of the new products that Rockford's introducing this year is in the Moto Marine category, specifically in the amplifiers. So what we've done is we've taken our small chassis Power Series amplifiers and brought them over into the Moto Marine to give the options for our Moto Marine customers in the boats, UTVs, motorcycles, a more weather-friendly compact amplifier. The amplifiers all feature dual fan induction forced air cooling, marinized interior board, so it's two-part epoxy coating board to give it that marine grade. We have a stainless brushed steel chassis in an aluminum extruded heatsink, gray end caps, quick disconnect terminals. The amplifiers have all of the same features that our mobile power small chassis amplifiers have, to include our new clean setup circuit. So it allows us to determine where the input audio signal clips, and then allows us to set the gain control of the amplifier, determine where the output of the amplifier clips. So this basically speeds up the setup time and makes the input and output setups much more accurate. Takes the guesswork out of the system. Another addition to the amplifier lineup in our Moto Marine category is on our Punch Marine amplifiers. We introduced the original Punch series of amplifier in 2013 in our mobile line with 11 new models, and this year we're bringing 9 of those models over into our Moto Marine category with a completely new look. So as you can see, we start off with a nice brushed aluminum cast heatsink with gray accents, all stainless steel hardware, and a two-part epoxy coating on the board to give it that marine rated capability. As part of the expanded product offering in the Rockford's Moto Marine category this year, we've greatly expanded our woofer options from previous years. So what we now have are actually 2 different categories or families of woofers. Just like in our mobile line, we now have Prime Series woofers as well as Punch Series woofers. Starting with the Prime Series, which is kind of our starter line, we offer an 8-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch size woofer in dual voice coil configurations, both 2 ohm and 4 ohm. And as you can see, they're available in black and white plastic grill finishes. They feature Syntrex plastic, which is a UV inhibited plastic, as well as a full sealed back basket, so water intrusion is not a problem. Power handling on the 8-inch is 150 watts RMS, 300 watts peak. The 10 and 12 feature 200 watt RMS, 400 watt peak power handling. If you're wanting to step up in your woofer to be able to get a little more output, a little more power, then we can go into the Punch family, where we offer a 10-inch and a 12-inch single 4 ohm voice coil model. And as you can see, we have them available in black and white in what we call a sport grill option. And this year we've also added in a new luxury grill option. So you can order the woofer with a nice white luxury grill for those aesthetically more pleasing installations where the sport grill may not possibly fit. Power handling on the speakers are 250 watts RMS, 500 watts peak on the 10-inch, 300 watts RMS, 600 watts peak on the 12-inch. Also new this year, Rockford Fosgate is introducing their RF HD 9813 amplifier and wiring kit for Harley-Davidson motorcycles from 1998 to 2013. This amplifier installation kit is designed to work with our current PBR and small chassis power amplifiers. The kit includes an extruded aluminum heatsink assembly that's already drilled and pre-tapped with appropriate mounting holes for the amplifiers, mounting brackets for both Street Glide and Road Glide model motorcycles, as well as pre-terminated wiring looms for both power and speaker input and output. The wiring is designed to connect directly to the existing factory speaker wires for audio input to the amplifier, and then provides pre-terminated connections for the aftermarket speakers. The other ends of those terminals are pre-terminated with the appropriate connectors for the amplifiers themselves, including power and ground.